The proper way to select the best trading board is first of all, we need to understand the board strategy and then do its backtesting. After finding the best input settings, deploy that settings on the demo account and monitor its performance on the live environment. It's take a lot of time by analyzing a board strategy, then doing backtesting and then live testing. All these steps takes a lot of time, but now at TradingBotLab we are doing all these things for you free of cost. At TradingBotLab we have recently added a lab section, and here let's move to my screen and the lab page. You will find a list of all available trading boards here, and here with each board you can see the live performance results. Till now it made a 0.5% growth in the live environment, not just a backtest result. Here on the right side we have main two sections, the backtest and the live sync. In the backtest you will see all our backtest results. For example, for the dark nova we have optimized set files for the 7 pairs, and all these pairs are here in the list. You can select anyone to see the performance, the results, the drawdown, the recovery factor, profit factor, all these things. You can see one by one all these results from here. And the most important, what if you decide to use on multiple pairs? Simply you need to switch this button to combine view, and here you can select multiple set files. For example, I have selected AUD NZD, CAD CHF, and I want to use it on GBP USD and the USD CAD and USD CHF. So by this way I can analyze all these combined results, so it may take few minutes. And right now the analysis are going chronologically based on what happen if we use all these 5 pairs at the same time. For example, one pair is making profit, the other one is giving drawdown, and in that situation it will combine those points. So for example, here you can see on the graph how all these results are going up, and the final curve is going something like this. When I combine these 5 out of 7 results, the initial deposit is 1000 and the total net profit it made $11,000. And here below I can see the performance month by month, and this section is the most important section. From here I can make it a little bit bigger like this one, and then I can see all these values. So from here you can see I just started its backtesting process in the October 2022 until the November 2025, and overall this was the performance. And here below you can see the profit and loss month by month, the day by day, week by week, and all these decisions. And here you can see the profit vs holding time. After analyzing these backtest results, you can see the live syncs. Here you can see the live trades. The current active positions will be shown here, and here are the last 50 closed trades. Till now it just opened 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 trades, and the 8th trade is still running. And by this way you can see the results of all these boards, the backtest results and the live sync results. For example, this board is optimized on the 1000, the Hedging Martingale is optimized on, like if I select on this EA, and sometimes if you are not able to select the other EAs, you can simply reload this page by refreshing the page, and it may take a few seconds to refresh the page, and after that it will start working properly. Because there are a lot of trades and it needs to manage every trade one by one, calculate all these metrics, so that's why. And by this way you can see the performance of every EA available in this list. Simply you need to click on any EA and then it will load all the results, and it is totally depend on your internet connection, because here is a very lengthy list of the trades that needs to be loaded in your PC from the server, so it may take a few seconds to few minutes based on your internet connections. And if you want to start using these boards with these set files, you can simply go to the TradingBotLab, the lab section, and here you can simply add this this into the cart. Okay, for example, you have added all these set files, and now you simply need to click here on the cart, and from here you can apply a coupon which is first 50, and when you apply you will get a 50% flat discount for the first 50 users only. So then click on secure checkout. When you click on it, it will give you options to pay Binance, USDT, TRC, TRC20, and by this way when you continue to payment you will see this detail. For example, you can click here and scan this one. You will see TradingBotLab name and the Binance Pay. You can simply go to your Binance app, open the scanner and scan this code. It will automatically fetch this ID, the Binance ID. Or you can copy this one. It's 388-73207, and once you paid, how much you need to pay, it is very important to pay $61.32. At our end we must receive $61.32 for verification purpose. So once you have transferred, simply click on the I have transferred, and after the payment you will have a transaction ID. You simply need to copy paste that transaction ID here. For example, I have just for testing purpose I will select like a random number, and here I said paid successful, and then I will select a complete order, and here yes, the order is received. Our team will take few hours to complete this order. Once the transaction verified, your order will be marked as completed. View my order, you can simply go to view my order, and from here you can see all these set files you have purchased. Okay, and you can visit these purchases from your profile and the account profile. From here you will see my purchases, and that's it. And once the payment is approved, you will see here the approved, and here the downloadable button will be available to download all these set files, and also you will receive an email containing all these set files on your email address. I hope you understand how exactly you can compare, how you can analyze the reports and results on the lab section of TradingBotLab. Now you can go to the TradingBotLab page and analyze the best EA for yourself. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.